Cool. So, shall we begin with the quick rapid fire round? Guys,
Can you please share the screen?
yes, first before starting the session, I would like to take one quick rapid fire round. Are you guys ready for it? Like just we are going to revise some topics.
Sure, sure.
Okay. So what are the types of hackers do we have? How many types of hackers do we have?
3.
Okay, what are they?
White hat, grey hat, red hat.
Right.
White hat, grey hat, black hat.
And one more thing, guys, I have forgotten to mention you. So right now, if you are giving the answers, I am going to like writing down your names. So please try to respond as earliest as possible. Okay, what is the full form of CIA?
Confidentiality, integrity, and availability.
Availability.
Okay, so 8 bits is equals to how many bytes?
1 byte, sir.
1 byte.
Okay, cool. So IP address, how many types of versions of IP address do we have?
2 types, sir.
Types.
What are they?
IPv6 and
IPv4,
IPv4.
IPv6.
Okay, cool. So how many bits do we have in the IPv4?
Sir, it's 32 bits.
32.
In IPv6?
128.
128.
Why don't we use the IPv5?
That's not
Because it
sufficient,
has
sir.
48 bits.
Sir, it's not
Insufficient.
sufficient, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. What is the difference between public IP address and private IP address?
The private IP address we will use inside the network, sir. Public IP address we use to connect to the internet. Over the
Okay.
internet.
So where we can get from who assign us the public IP address?
Sir, public ISP, sir.
Provider.
ISP.
So when it comes to the private,
It's a router, sir.
Router.
DHCP.
okay, cool. Okay, what is the difference between static and dynamic IP?
The static IPs won't change, sir. Dynamic IPs will change.
Dynamic.
Okay. So we have discussed one tool, right, to change the IP address. Have you remember the thing? Like within 3 seconds, we are going to change our IP address.
Or
We have-
IP
Sir,
changer.
Tor
Or
IP.
IP changer.
Okay, so in a Tor IP changer, when we are like using the Firefox browser, we have done some configurations. If you have remembered, right? We have went to the settings and we have done some configurations. In the configuration, we have mentioned some IP address and port number.
Sir, 9050
90.
127.0.0.1 and the port number 9050.
What is the IP address? Why
Loopback,
we
sir.
Localhost.
Loopback, localhost. Loopback.
And what is an alternative name of localhost?
Loopback.
Loopback.
Okay, good. So how many? Okay, what is the full form of MAC?
Sir, media access control.
Media access control.
Media access control.
Okay, how many bits we have in the MAC?
48 bits.
Okay, cool. Okay, what is the full form of OSI?
Open system
Open system
interconnection
interconnection.
model.
Interconnection.
How many layers do we have in the OSI
7
model?
layers.
7
layers.
Okay, cool. What are they?
Sir, application layer,
application
presentation
layer,
layer, session layer, transport, network, data link, and physical layer.
Physically.
Okay. How many layers do we have in the TCP IP
4
model?
layers, sir.
4.
4 layers.
What are they?
Application layer,
application.
transport layer,
Okay.
internal layer, network access layer.
Sure, cool. Okay. So we have discussed some malwares, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have discussed about virus and mobs. What is the difference between virus and mob?
Sir, a virus needs a human interaction to replicate and spread through the computer. Sir, worms doesn't need a human interaction to execute.
It will make
It is a standalone, sir.
Okay. Yes, sorry, come again, please.
Sir, a virus needs a human action to replicate and spread through the entire system, sir. It attaches itself to the file, and when the person executes the file, it spreads and executes, sir. But worms doesn't need a human interaction to spread or replicate, sir. It is a standalone, it replicates itself.
Okay, cool. So assume that I'm a hacker. Okay, I'm a hacker and I have a route to only open unlimited command prompts in the victim systems. Okay. So what I have done as an hacker, I have wrote a code. What code I have written? I have wrote a code that when the victim double clicks on this file, so it should open unlimited command prompts. So after sharing this file to the victim, if the victim is double clicking on the file, so does it going to spread with the different systems as well?
No,
No.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In the same network. it will-
Yes or no? What will be your answer? Have you got my question? Like what I Okay, so my question is that as an hacker, if I'm writing a code to open unlimited command prompts on the victim system, okay, this is the thing. This is
No,
the
sir. It
task.
don't split, sir. It don't split.
So if I'm sharing this file to the victim and if the victim is double clicking on this file, so does this file is going to spread with the different systems as well in the network?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir. No,
Sir,
sir.
no, sir. No, sir.
Okay,
It's
cool,
only work on victim system only.
cool. Because why?
Because the motive of the malware is to open the command prompts, not to. There is no particular program in that code to
To share others.
share
To
to
spread,
this.
yes,
Share
to
to
spread in
others.
the network, right? Yes, cool. Okay. So these are the topics. Okay. So one more thing, we have discussed some things as well. Have you remembered about IDS and IPS?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Inter
Intrusion
Yes.
detection
In
system and
the
intrusion
intrusion
detection and
yes.
prevention
intrusion
system.
prevention system.
Yes. In which topic we have learned this IDS and
Firewall,
IPS?
firewall.
Firewall. Like when we have learned this virus in the topic of virus or in the topic of worm. When we have learned this thing.
Firewalls.
Firewall, sir.
Firewalls, yes.
Yes.
When we have learned. See, we have right. So in every malware, we are learning the theory, and once we are done with the theory, we are proceeding ahead with the practical. And once the practical has been got done, then we are detection and prevention. We are learning these things right in each and every topic. So, like in which topic we have learned about the firewalls, like
Yes,
in the
sir.
virus
Virus
topic
Networks,
or
system.
sir.
bombs prevention. Okay, good. Okay. So what is the full form of IDS and IPS that you have told?
Intrusion
Intrusion
detection
detection
system and intrusion prevention
prevention
system.
system.
Can you give me an example of IDS and IPS?
Sir,
So CCTV camera for
CCTV.
IDS.
Huh.
Intrusion
IPS is
prevention.
security guards and
Okay, cool.
firewall.
Prevention.
Yes, yes, you are right. Absolutely right. Okay, so these are the topics that we have discussed so far. So today we are going to start with the new topic, okay, known as Trojan horse. Okay, so just give me a moment. Okay, so let me share my screen. Good. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now we are proceeding ahead with the new topic known as Trojan horse. Okay. Okay, now there is a question for you. Uh, what is the thing you can able to see right now?
A car picture.
Or
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Car picture.
Apart of it, any messages or anything else?
Nothing.
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. Are you sure?
सर
Yes, sir.
कार का लोगो ठीक नहीं है
Okay.
We can't see.
Okay, cool. No worries. No worries. Apart of it, what if I tell you there is a secret message inside the image? Then, what if I tell you there is a secret message inside this image? In that scenario, are you able to believe this thing?
Sir,
No, sir. We can't
क्या ये
believe.
इमेज के पीछे कोई
Technography.
भी यस क्या ये इमेज के पीछे कुछ भी हम हाइड कर सकते हैं? कैन वी हाइड एनीथिंग बैक ऑफ द इमेज?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So see, there is an image, but okay, there is an image. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, there is an image. Okay, okay. Back of it, there is a
Iconograph.
yes, there is a text that has been hidden back of the image. Similar way, so assume that this is a image, normal image. Okay, but back of it, what the hackers they are doing, instead of this text, what they are doing, they are just creating a virus. Okay, they are creating a virus, and then after what they are doing, they are hiding, they're like combining together, like front it will be looks like an image, but back of it there is a virus which has been attached to it, right? So after this, they'll share this thing to the victim. so that if the victim is double clicking on this image, like have you seen in the WhatsApp? In the WhatsApp, when we receive some image, we are going to click on the download icon. Have you seen that thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For the first time, if you are receiving some new image, we are going to click on it, right? We are going to download the image. After getting downloaded, what we are going to do? We are going to double click on the image, right? Are you all are agreeing with me?
Yes, sir.
But what we have discussed about virus, when the virus is going to be getting executed, when the victim is going to double clicking on it, right? So when the victim is double clicking on the image, simultaneously it's going to execute the virus as well. Getting my point? So this is the thing. Okay, assume that, okay, in this scenario we have an image, but assume that there is a movie. Assume that this is a movie. This is an F2 movie. Assume that this is an F2 movie. So if you wanted to download F2 movie, what are the resources that you are going to use to download the movies? What are the platforms that you are going to use?
Telegram.
Okay,
Sure,
just
torrent.
give me a moment. Let me just type it over here as well. Okay, yes, tell me.
Torrent.
Torrent, okay. Movie
Movie
rules,
rules.
Telegram.
YTS.
YTS.in.
Telegram,
Movies
a
web.
part of it,
YTS.
YTS,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Bappam,
Iboma.
okay.
Sir, IBOM.
Iboma or Bappam, okay. Hmm.
So Tamil Rockers.
Tamil Rockers, okay. Just let me write out here. Tamil Rockers, okay. A part of it,
So Popcorn Time.
MX Players, okay. But we need third party. I have forgotten to mention, we need the third party.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this will not comes under third party, MX Player. A part of it, anything else?
Movies.
Sorry? PC Mirror, okay.
The movie was.
Movie rules already done.
Movie
Second.
was, sir. Was.
Movie
was.
was, okay.
Yes, sir.
PC,
Movies web.
mirror, movie, verse. Okay. Just okay. Simple thing I have wrote. Don't go with the spellings and all the
Okay,
things.
sir.
Yes. Apart of it, anything else?
Net
Anything?
mirror.
Movie mirror,
Net mirror. Net mirror, sir.
net mirror, net mirror. If you want, you can take a screenshot of it. You can download the movies from me. Okay. Anything else you have missed?
No, sir.
Okay. So, okay. So among these resources, okay, so maximum of the resources are website or the applications?
Websites.
Website, sir.
Websites, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
99% you have given the websites names. But when it comes to the Telegram, it's an
Application.
application.
Yeah.
Yes. But
Application.
there is a new scenario. Assume that Bahubali 3 has been launched today. Okay. Assume that Bahubali 3 movie has been got launched today in the market. Okay. So where you are going to search Bahubali 3?
Telegram.
In
Telegram.
these websites, right?
Yes, sir.
First you are going to search in this website. But if you are not finding the movie in this website, then what you are going to do? You are going to search on the Telegram, right?
Yes.
If the movie is not available in this website, I am sure that 100% you are going to find movie in
Telegram.
Telegram. Why so? Why?
Data print will be available in Telegram.
Sorry.
The data print will be available in the Telegram channels.
Okay, cool.
Sir, is it easy to share, sir?
Yes, sir.
Even if one channel got copyrighted, you can open another community and post the movies there.
Someone will post the movie.
Okay, cool. We are getting many response. Okay, cool. Just give me a moment. Let me just decrease the size, okay, of this text. Let me just keep 40. Control all 40. Okay. So we are going to find the movie on Telegram, right? For sure. Okay, now. So can we able to share the virus with the help of WhatsApp?
No.
Why
No,
so?
sir.
No, sir.
It's encrypted, sir.
When it comes to the Gmail,
No, sir.
No, sir.
In the old, in the previous years, we can able to send the virus with the help of Gmail. But now, if you're sharing the virus with the help of Gmail or through the Gmail, so it's going to be getting detected and it's going to be getting blocked
Yes, sir.
Yes,
because
sir.
of the security reasons. Okay, but okay, can we share the virus in the Instagram?
Yes.
No,
Yes, sir.
no, sir.
Instagram?
No.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Sometimes we can, and sometimes we might not. Okay, then a part of it, Snapchat. Let me just decrease those. Snapchat also we can't share. Okay, but when it comes to the Telegram,
We
Yes, sir. We
can, sir.
can, sir.
We
Yes, sir,
can.
we can.
You can share.
okay. So assume that you want some Adobe Premiere Pro software, like editor software, which is a cracked version. Where you can find this software?
Telegram.
Telegram.
In Telegram, right? So why we find the movies in the Telegram instead of getting in this website? Because in the Telegram, what we can do first thing, we can share the virus. Okay, if you're sharing the virus, it will not going to be detected. Okay, first reason is this. Okay, not going to getting detected. Okay, next I will tell you the scenario. Okay, assume that this is a movie and back of it the virus has been attached to it, right? So if I'm sharing this, I can able to share it with the help of Telegram because it can't able to detect it now, it can't able to scan as well, right? Okay, so this is the first reason. Okay, why you are finding these movies in the Telegram is because hacker can hack you easily, because in the Telegram it's not going to be getting detected, right? And one more thing over here. Okay, there is in the telegram, okay, just assume the scenario. Okay, assume that I have a channel in the Telegram. I have a channel in the Telegram. What I have done, I have just shared this movie in my channel. And what you guys have done, you have downloaded this movie and you have executed this movie. Okay, you have double clicked on the movie to watch the movie, and the virus got executed. After knowing that you have executed the virus, next thing what you're going to do, if your phone is getting hacked, in that scenario, what you're going to do next time?
Sir, install antivirus.
Delete the
Okay,
movie.
but already your phone got hacked. Before hacking, you can use the antivirus, but after getting hacked, then in that scenario, next thing what you are going to do?
Reset the whole device.
Okay, apart of it,
So change the OS.
okay, assume that you have downloaded this movie in your mobile phone. As an hacker, I have full control of your mobile device. Okay, what I have done, obviously, we will have some family pictures or personal pictures in our gallery, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
As an hacker, what I have done, I have just right now your device is in my control, right? So as an hacker, what I'm doing, I'm just downloading all the images that has been saved inside your gallery. Okay, after downloading, I'm just like posting these images on the internet. After posting this internet, what next step you are going to take? Yes, you are going to obviously going to raise a
Complaint.
complaint, right, in the cyber cells or police station. Okay, so next thing, assume that hacker got to know, like a victim has executed his movie and back of it there was a virus attached. Okay, so right now hacker has full control of the victim phone, right? So and what the victim has done, he has went to the police station or cyber cell to raise a complaint. After hacker getting to know that the victim has went to the police station, went to the okay, just give me a moment. Cool. Cool. Okay. So see, if the hacker is like getting to know that victim is went to the police station and he is going to raise a complaint, in the Telegram we have a special feature. Do you know this thing known as vanish mode? Do you know this thing? In the Telegram, we have a vanish mode option. If you are using this vanish mode option, then from the sender side and the receiver side, okay, receiver side, all the message are going to be getting deleted. There is no traces. There will be no traces from the sender side and the receiver side. So if a hacker is getting to know that yes, the victim is went to the police station to raise a complaint, what the hacker is going to do, he's going to use this special feature known as vanish mode. He's going to be using by using this feature, what he's going to do, he's going to delete all the traces from the sender side and from the hacker side and the receiver side. Okay. So from both the sides, see, in the WhatsApp also we have an option known as delete for everyone, right? If you're using this feature, if you're using this feature, but still we can see some like thing, right? This message got deleted and at this time. But in the Telegram, when it comes to the Telegram, we can't able to see the thing as well. वो भी हम नहीं देख सकते. Like when the hacker is deleted, delete for everyone or vanish mode. What's the time he has like done the vanish mode option? Okay, so we can't able to see this thing. Okay, so that what the hackers they are going to do, they are going to like launch, like they are going to release these movies in the Telegram, okay, by attaching a virus behind of it. Okay, so this is the scenario. Okay, so now have you got the point? Okay, have you got the topic? Simple thing, back of it we are going to hide some malicious thing, like it can be image, it can be movies, it can be audio, it can be video, anything. Okay, apart of anything, apart of sorry, back of anything we are going to hide something. Simple thing. So this is known as Trojan horse. Okay, now, this was the theory part. Okay, so once we are going to revise the theory part, a Trojan horse in cybersecurity refers to a malicious software that distinguishes it as a legitimate application or image, or it can be video, right? So, example, if I'm sharing this to the victim, it looks like a legitimate, right? It looks like a from like it came from a from a good resources, right? So okay, so this is the thing. So legitimate application to deceive users to into installing it, allowing attackers to gain unauthorized access to systems, steal data, or deliver additional malware. See, there is a last point that you have to note it down, or deliver additional malware. Okay. Okay, this is the thing of this is the definition of Trojan horse. Okay, there is a movie as well. So if you want, you can watch this movie. There is a movie known as Troy, okay, which has been launched in the year of 2004. Okay, by seeing this, by watching this movie, you can get to know, right? Okay, this is the thing. This is known as Trojan horse. Okay, you have to watch this movie. Okay, same thing. They have used this Trojan horse method. Okay, during the wars, they have used this method and they have won the battle. Okay, if you want, you can watch this movie. Troy. Okay, so can we start the practical?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what you can do, okay, as I have mentioned in the previous sessions, okay, just if you're joining the sessions, just try to join it with the mobile phones because it can be easy for you to perform the practical along with me. Huh? Slide one? Which one? Troy one? Practical one. Yes, I will show you. Okay. So why I have right, I am showing you the like presentations is because some of the participants like they are not able to get the practical right. In that scenario, only I have wrote the step-by-step procedures in my presentation. Okay. So if you're forgetting as well, if you are forgetting the steps, it will be easy for you. By seeing this practical or by seeing this presentation, you can able to perform the practical by yourself. Okay. So this is the thing. Now we are going to perform one practical. Okay, right now what we are going to do? Okay, so right now we have to turn on our Windows 10 operating system inside the VMware. Okay. Okay, in every upcoming sessions, please turn on your Windows 10 operating system before the session starts. Okay. Now, okay. Can we proceed ahead or would you need some time? Guys,
Proceed, sir.
Yes, sir. Go on.
so let me proceed ahead. Okay, cool. Okay, so first what we have
I'm
to
just opening P-Switch, sir. One.
okay. So please try to join it with your mobile phone, okay? Because it will be easy for you. Like by seeing this thing, it will be easy for you to perform the practical. Okay, till then, let me test my browser as well. Let me test my browser is working fine. Yes. Okay, so now we are going to start our practical. So first, what you have to do, you have to turn on your Windows 10 operating system. Okay, after turning on your Windows 10 operating system, you have to open your browser and you have to search for a thing known as Notepad++. What you have to search? Notepad++. Why we are downloading this Notepad++ is because in this Notepad++, it has it, it has some additional features instead of Notepad. Okay, we have a Notepad, right? So usually by default, the Notepad is downloaded in our operating system. But what we are doing, we are downloading one more software known as Notepad++ because this software provides us some special features. Okay. So after searching for Notepad++ in your browser, just click on the first link. Okay. Just click on the first link and just try to just click on the first link. Okay, download, just click on this first link. Download Notepad++. We version 8.8.7 authenticity guaranteed. Just click on download Notepad. Okay. After clicking on download Notepad, within few MB, like 6.6 MB, right? Within few seconds, it's going to be getting downloaded in your system, right? Have it got downloaded? Okay. After getting downloaded, just open your file explorer. Just open your file explorer. Done. After opening your file explorer, just try to execute this software. NPP. Okay, so it will ask you to like select one prompt like yes or no. So you have to click on yes. Then click on OK. Next, and install. Okay, don't do any changes. Leave it by default. Okay, but at the end, it will show you like create shortcut on the desktop. If you want, you can say, tick mark this option and you can click on install. Simple thing. You have to execute. You have to click on by default thing. You have to keep it by default. Click on next, and install and finish. Okay. Okay. After getting installed, you can see this like thing. Okay. You can see this notepad thing. Done. Okay. Can we proceed ahead? Or would you want me to wait few more time?
Sorry, you can proceed.
Okay. Cool. So see, after getting Notepad++ downloaded, what we have to do, we have to close this software. Okay, we have got a confirmation that our Notepad++ is got successfully downloaded in our system. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, cool. Okay. Now what we have to do, just okay, just select any one directory. Select any one directory. Okay, it can be documents, it can be download or anything. Okay, select any one directory. Okay, selected. Okay. But before, okay, after selecting one directory, just try to open the browser. Okay, open the browser and try to download one image because what we are going to do, back of the image, we are going to hide some message right now. Okay, just search for any image that you want, like any image. I will tell you. I will tell you. Just download any image by opening your browser. Example, I am downloading a hacker image. Okay, hacker image. Let me just download any image. Okay, this is the image. Okay, this is the image. Let's check this image. Okay, let me just download this image. Save image as okay, JPEG. Just renaming the file name as hacker, and I'm just clicking on save. What I have done, I have just opened my browser and I have just downloaded one image. Okay, and I have named as hacker. Okay, now if I wanted to show you the image, kaha gaya yaar? It looks withered. Okay, yeah, cool. Okay, right now this image is not loading, so let me just re-download any one more alternative image. Any one alternative image. Okay, let's do one thing. Or and Pixabay here. In this, let me just download this image. Huh? Nope. Any one image, any one image. Very big. Any one image. Let me just download this image. Got downloaded. Cool. Yes. Now we are good to go. Let me just rename this file as an hacker. A hacker. Okay. Till here done. What you have to do, you have to open your browser and just download any one image and just rename the image. Okay. Anyone. Any name that you wanted to give. Hacker or anything. Done. Downloaded the image. After downloaded the image, what you have to do, see, just open it and just watch. Okay, just see. Okay, have you able to see? Are you able to see any messages in this image right now? Any messages, like any text messages or anything else?
No,
Are
sir.
you
No.
No, right? Okay, cool. Because right now this is a normal image, but what we have to do, we have to like uh, add some message and we have to bind it with this image. How we can do this thing? Okay, right now you can see I have downloaded an image, so it will be obviously it will be in the download section, right? In the download section, I have this image over here. So now in this path bar, okay, in this path bar, what you have to do, you have to enter CMD. What you have to enter? CMD. CMD stands for
Command prompt.
Command.
yes. Okay, so right now if I'm entering CMD, now you can able to see right now I am inside the C user cybersecurity and downloads. Okay, inside the downloads, I know my image is available inside the downloads, right? So now over here, what we have to do, we have to type echo, okay, and the message that you wanted to hide or you wanted to bind with the image, like hello, future cyber security professionals. Okay, what message I have hidden? I wanted to hide professionals. And what message I wanted to bind with the image? Hello, future cybersecurity professionals. Okay, just please make a note that after echo, you have to give the space and you have to use the like quotes, okay, double quotes. Okay, after that, you have to use this arrow and then the image name. What is my image name? Hacker dot and with the extension. See, right now my extension type is JPG. So hacker dot JPG. So how do you write? Just click on this, no, bar, and enter CMD and hit enter. Here is the image downloads. And over here, rename this image. Okay. So what we have done, we have like used a message known as echo, and the message that we want to hide back of the image known as hello future cybersecurity professionals, and the image name that you wanted to bind with. Done? You have to click on this CMD, the CMD, and here type the command echo and the message that you wanted to bind with, okay, and the image name.
It is compulsory to give the double arrow.
Yes, yes. Because if you're not giving the double arrow, then notepad, like, sorry, the command prompt will not understand that we wanted to bind some message. Okay.
Okay.
So that if you're just using the double binded like this thing, so it will get to know, yes, this is the starting of the secret message and this is the ending of the secret message. And what it needs to be done, it needs to hide inside the hacker.jpg folder, which I have downloaded. Okay. In your scenario, your image name will be different. Okay. And sometimes your extension will also be different. Instead of jpg, you might download the png as well. Okay. So over here, just try to like just go through with your image that you have downloaded, and as per your image, you have to give the thing command. Okay, over here. Okay. Now, see, if I'm hitting enter, now you can see it got successfully executed and I have not got any errors after executing this line. Okay. So in that scenario, what does it means? It has been like binded the secret message inside the hacker image. Now, if I want to reopen this, now can you able to see any secret message? No.
No, sir.
No. Why so? Because this is not the thing that we need to do. Right now, what you have to do, you have to right click on it. And here you can see one option known as edit with notepad plus plus. Right click on the image. Okay. Edit with notepad plus plus. Okay. See, right now, all the things that you're seeing is all the encrypted things. Okay. Image encrypted things. Okay. But what you have to do, you have to scroll till the end. What you have to do, you have to scroll till the end. Till the end. You go till the end. Okay. And when it comes to the last line, just observe the last line. Okay, right now. Okay. Okay, yeah. Cool. Huh. This is all the encrypted things, all the encrypted text. Okay, okay, okay. Let me go till the last. Okay, this is my last. Okay, this is my last line 10917, 10,917 lines. Okay, now when I go through the last line and just I scroll it, now you can see there is a secret message that we have binded. What is the secret message?
Hello, future cybersecurity professionals.
Yes. So this method is known as Trojan horse, or we can call it as steganography. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, future cybersecurity professionals. Okay,
Yes.
got this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but right now what we have done, we have just like we have given a plain text, right? But instead, what we can do just in the encrypt, we can encrypt this thing as well. So if I wanted to show you, like normal, normal normal message to cipher message
Ciphertext.
converter. Okay, so this is the tools that we use. Okay. Okay, see. Just give me a moment. Encoder. Right now, here using this website, it is a best famous website that I am using right now, known as decode.fr Caesar cipher. Okay, what this website does, if you are finding any encrypted thing, okay, if you are finding any encrypted algorithm, anything, okay, what you can do with this help of this website, you can decrypt it or you can encrypt it as well. This website is used to encrypt and decrypt the messages. Okay, in the olden days, have you seen in the movies like there is some encrypted messages and all the things that have been written in the wall on the wall, right? So to find the treasure, we have to decode the message, right? Which method they are going to be used? Okay, they are going to be used. They are using the Caesar cipher, like cipher message encryption. Okay, right now what we have to do, we have to encrypt the message, right? So Caesar encoder, it means that we are encoding something. Example, same thing. Hello, future hackers. Okay, in this scenario, future hackers. This is the key. Okay, this is some key. Okay, so example, have you seen in the movies like there is some message? If you wanted to decrypt, there will be some keys, treasure keys, right? So similar way, if they are finding the keys, then only they can able to read the messages, right? Similar way, here you can enter any key, and if you're clicking on encrypt, okay, if you're clicking on encrypt, okay, now you can see over here there is some encrypted message we have got over. Just give me a moment. uh, this is the thing. Just give me a moment. Mhm. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me just use another website. Encryption and encryption. Okay, cool. Okay. So these are all the algorithms. Okay, these are all the encryption algorithms. So now, hello, future hackers, encryption. Okay. Now what we have done, see our plain text is hello future hacker. But what we have done, we have just encrypted this message. Okay, this is known as encryption. Okay, we are like converting from plain text to cipher text, like unreadable format. So this is known as encryptions. Okay, why we do this encryptions? Because like see in the network also we just transfer the packets, right, from sender to receiver. So first what we do, we just convert from plain text to encrypted text, and then after getting encrypted, then only we just share this encrypted thing on the network. Because if the hacker captures this thing, if the hacker find out this encrypted thing, he needs to he needs to be getting knowing that which algorithm has been used to getting encrypted. Every algorithm will provide some different output. Okay, right now which algorithm we have used over here? AES 128 bits. Okay, 128 bits algorithm. So what the message, normal message that I have wrote, hello future hackers. What I have done, I have converted this hello future hackers to unreadable format, which is an encrypted form. Okay, now what I can do, I can just copy it. Okay, and what I can do, I can just bind this thing as well in the thing, in the image. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me just close this notepad. Okay, so let me just perform the same practical, but right now what we are going to do, okay, just give me a moment. Okay, so this is the thing, right? So what we have to do, I'm just performing the same practical. CMD enter, right? Right now I have opened the same thing. So what will be the command? What is the command that we have entered in the this, right? But right now what I'm doing, instead of plain text, what I'm doing, I'm using the encrypted thing. What I have done, instead of normal message, I have pasted over here encrypted message. then the image that we wanted to hack, hacker.jpg. Okay, and if I'm clicking on enter, now you can see now we got the command executed. There was no error, anything. Now what we have to do, if I'm right click on this image, okay, if I'm clicking on edit with notepads right now, if I'm going till the end, okay, let me just scroll it. Okay, now can you able to see a encrypted message over here?
Yes, sir.
Right? So see, why we are doing the encryption, because right now you can see all the things has been got image. Can't able to, like example, if someone got your image, they can't able to like decrypt this message. When they can able to decrypt this message, when you are sharing this algorithm. Okay. So when you are sharing this algorithm name, then only he can able to decrypt the message. Example, if I wanted to show you an example, you have shared this image to your friend. Okay, hacker image to your friend. What they had, what your like friend he has done, he has downloaded this Notepad plus plus, and what he has done, he has just right click on it. Okay, what he has done, he has just right clicked on it, and he has clicked on edit with Notepad plus plus. Okay, let me just give me a moment. Okay. 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 After clicking on edit with Notepad plus plus, he will get this encrypted message, right? So what he's going to do, he's going to copy this thing because it's encrypted, right? So he needs to be decrypt this thing. So he's just copying this thing, and he's going to the browser. You have to share this browser name, website name as well. Okay, you have to share this website name. Hey, I am just encoded this normal message using this website. Just paste it over here. Okay, and just paste on decrypt string and just select the algorithm as AES 128 and just click on decrypt string. Okay, let me just paste it once again. Why it's not decrypting?
I think so that
Basically,
the the code sir.
code.
नहीं ऊपर का semicolon उसके
No, no, no. Okay, let me just retype once again. Hello, future hackers.
Yes, sir, I'm actually we wrote but the colon no for
Paste for decoding. Okay, sorry, my bad. So here, what we need to do, here we need to copy this thing. I was pasting in the wrong section. Copy. Now, in this website, we can able to see paste string for decoding. Decrypt string. No, see. Right? Okay. What you have to do, you have to share this image to your friend, and after sharing, you have to tell your friend, like you can use this website to decode this encrypted message. So what he's going to do, he's going to copying this encrypted message. Okay, assume that I am the friend. What I'm doing, I'm just copying this message. Okay, right now I'm just copying this message. I'm just selecting this encrypted message. Copying this message. After copying, you have told me to use this website, and you have told me to select the algorithm as AES 128 CBC. And over here, you have told me to paste the string for decoding. Okay, if I'm clicking on, now you can see there is nothing over here. Now, if I'm clicking on decrypt string, now you can see able to see the message got decrypted, encrypted message. What we have done in this practical,
use the image.
yes, by using the image, we have binded some secret message back of it. Okay, so so now you guys tell me, you got this thing right? You got the steps and procedure. Now, in the real life example, where I can use this technique
So when someone this code
into some.
किसको code भेजना हो like you can't text him and all like
Okay.
so you can
Okay. So if you wanted to send anything message, so you can't share it normally. Okay. Apart of it, any good example when we can use this method?
It can be like
In
put that photo.
Hmm?
Like,
Yes, yes. Now in the upcoming session we are going to see. Next practice. Yes. Tell me guys, where I can use this method in the real life scenario. What we have done, got it?
in we can send this photo to a person like to which we want the data access,
Okay,
like for the mobile ones.
okay. But in the real life scenario, I need an example. The army, okay. Belina, okay. Cool.
journalism.
Employee data.
Okay, apart of it,
So access and employee data.
do you know this thing? Like, this method is used by the terrorist. If they wanted to send any messages between one country to another country, right? So have you seen in the movies, like they're sharing the images, only the images, right? But back of it, they're encrypting some secret messages, right? In the FBI, CBI, IB, RAW, we use these methods, we use these techniques to send some hidden messages. Okay, so this is the thing. If you are doing some sting operations, okay, in every state we have some guys now. So like in the Pakistan also we have some Indian army people which are like uh,
Spy.
spy agents, right? We can call it as spy agents. So if you wanted to communicate with the spy agents, like if you wanted to send any messages to the spy agent, we can use these type of techniques. Okay, using the image, we can send any messages. Okay, so if someone is interrupting as well, so then they can't able to decrypt it. When they can able to decrypt, once they getting the encryption algorithm and the key. Okay, AES is the algorithm and 128 is the key. Right now we are using. Okay, this we are going to learn all the things in the when we are going to start the in like we are going to start the network security. Okay. Okay. Have you got this practical, guys?
Yes.
What we have done, simple, like there is an image, but it looks like a simple image. But back of it, what we have done, we have hidden some secret message. Simple. This is a secret message.
So now the person wants to access the code. Like, then how will he access the code?
Which code?
अभी फोटो के पीछे कोड तो छुपा दिया आपने तो
हाँ।
बट अभी आपने किसी को भेजा तो वो उसको कोड एक्सेस करना तो कैसे एक्सेस करेगा?
वो कैसे एक्सेस करेगा? उसको डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा. He needs to download the Notepad++ and same procedure. Right click and open with Notepad and you have to scroll it till the end. Just see, if you are telling to your friends, then only he can able to get to know. Now you have hidden some messages, then it will be a good connection. Okay. If you're not telling that I have hidden some secret messages back of it, he can't able to get the thing. Now if he's clicking also, he can only get the normal image. But back of it, what we have done, we have hidden some secret message.
So now
Sir,
like
we can use any text editor, no, sir, or only Notepad++.
Only use this Notepad++ because Notepad++ provide us the future. Like, okay, there is a future. We can able to read the text documents as well. Encoded thing. So that we have downloaded the Notepad++. When it comes to the other text editor, we can't do this thing. Okay. So this is the thing we have discussed and we have learned, okay, uh, in the Windows 10 operating system. This is one practical, okay. We are going to see three practicals, okay. So this is the one practical that we have completed. In this practical, what we have done, there is one image, back of it, we have hidden the message. Simple thing, okay. But now, next thing, what we are going to do, there is a second practical that we are going to discuss. Okay, second practical. Let me just write it over here so that it can be easy for us. First practical, back of the image, we have hidden the secret message. Hidden the secret message. Now, what we are going to do, second practical. Now, what we are going to do, like, back of the image or back of the file, we are hiding the virus. Okay, image or file, back of the file or image, we are hiding the virus. And then we are sharing this virus to the victim. Okay. Once the victim has received this file, okay, he will like, it looks like a legitimate resource. Okay, but when he's going to be double clicking on it, the virus will be getting executed, and then we can completely control his operating system. I will show you, like, I will show you the line. Okay, to do this, what we have to do, you have to turn on your two operating system. First is Windows XP and another one is Windows 10. Windows 10 right now it's turned on. So next thing you have to turn on the second operating system known as Windows XP. Okay, in this scenario, Windows 10 will be our attacker machine, or you can call it as hacker operating system. Okay, Windows XP will be our victim
Victim
operating
target.
system. Okay, as an hacker, we are going to use this operating system and our target will be Windows XP. Okay, and then we are going to use one like code known as dark comment. Okay, so to do this thing, let me just allow me some time so that I can start the Windows XP operating system as well. थोड़ा time दे दीजिए. Let me just start the Windows XP. Till then, if you want, you can also turn on the Windows XP one. Windows XP.
So Windows 11 का like can we do with Windows 11 and Windows 10?
Windows 10 and Windows 11, nope. No. First, try to perform this practical from Windows 10 to Windows XP. Then after that, you can try on Windows 11 to Windows 10. First, try Windows 10. Win just take Windows 11 as an attacker operating system. Windows 10. Okay, once we are done with the practical. And tomorrow you have to tell me like whether it's got executed. Okay? Okay. Now you guys tell me what is our attacker machine? Windows 10 or Windows XP?
Windows 10.
Windows 10,
Victor?
Windows XP.
Windows XP.
Now systems over here. This is our second practical. So I have first thing before downloading this software, what we have to do in the Windows 10, we have to disable the antivirus software because this tool that we are downloading is like cracked version, to be frank. Okay, because we have to hack something. So this is our dummy operating system, right? So we can perform anything. Okay, so right now what you have to do, you have to click on this icon and you have to click on this Windows Defender software, and then what you have to do, you have to click on virus and threat protection. Just if how many of you guys are performing the practical along with me, just tell me yes or no. Okay, Harish, okay, cool. Okay, cool, only Harish. Okay, cool, no worries. Okay, if it's possible, just try to join with your mobile phones. Okay, Charan, okay, cool. Okay, no worries. Okay, so if you're performing along with me, then you can able to remember the steps. Okay, so first thing what you have to do, you have to turn on your Windows 10 and XP. Okay, same thing, similar thing. First what you need to do, you need to click on this icon. Okay, in the below we have an icon, right? Click on this icon and click on the Windows securities. Done. Over here, click on the virus and threat protection. Clicked. Clicked virus and threat protection. See guys, if you're stucking somewhere, please let me know. I will be just wait for a few more minutes. So please let me know. Okay, just click on virus and threat protection. Done. Then click on manage settings. Here you can see virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings and just turn off things. Tamper protection, real life protection, automatic sample. Turn off all the features. Yes, click on yes. If it's asking any prompt like yes or no, click on yes prompt.
a group of separate group. Unofficial. Like add me, bro. What is it?
Okay, done till here,
Yes, sir.
guys. Okay, cool. So once you have turned off all the security features, just close this thing. Okay, just close this thing. Close the Windows security software, and just open your browser. Okay, and then search for one thing known as over here. I have to. Okay. So there is a okay. Just search this user ZX0 2004 Dark Comet, right? ZX0 Dark Comet, right? Okay, ZX00 Dark Comet, right? GitHub. What you have to search? ZX0 Dark Comet, right? Okay. What is the full form of RAT? Here, Remote Access Trojan. What is the full form of RAT? RAT stands for Remote
Remote access.
Access Trojan. Okay, so if I wanted to show you RAT full form, see, these are the full forms that they are going to asking by the interviewer. See, Remote Access Trojan.